What's up, carnivores? Zach here with American Smoke, and today we're doing a quick video showing y'all how to transform your PK grill into an offset smoking machine. It's really simple. You just need a couple add-ons that you can get at pk.com, or you can either go to amazon.com. I'll leave links to this stuff down below. Make sure and just go ahead, get it out of the way, smash the like button for me, and become a subscriber to the channel. Also, only about 14% of the people that watch my videos, which is a bunch of people that watch them, only 14% are subscribers. So make sure you subscribe, help me get that number up. Let's get into this real quick. So first of all, we got to put a thermostat on the PK grill, because without a thermostat, it will only ever be a grill. You have to know what the temperature is inside the chamber if you ever hope to do slow smoking meats inside your PK. And so what we've got here is we've got a Tel-tru thermometer, which is sort of top of the market as far as most people are concerned. The Tel-tru comes with its own little cover that holds it onto your PK grill. But when you get your PK grill, they know you're going to spend some more money to get one from them, so they just go ahead and send you the black cover, which, you know, I've got the slate black, or whatever they call it, gunmetal enamel coat, something other, blah blah blah, I don't know. But it's really simple to install. You've got a little plastic plug right here that you're going to want to remove. I've already removed mine, and then it's just a matter of taking the wing nut off of the back. You install the Tel-tru thermometer into the little thingamajig right there. Fits on nice and sleek looking, and then you just put that in and put your wing nut on. You will need to kind of rotate a little bit to make sure that it's upright, but that's about all there is to that. And so now my PK grill can officially tell me what the temperature inside the chamber is. All that's left now is to grate up and show y'all how to increase your cooking surface on this smaller grill. Get our grate in there. Now, so the way that this is designed, you know, you've got two different ways of getting air in from the bottom. You can get air on one side or the other. And so your temperature gauge is down here. Therefore, you want your meat on this end. So you usually want to put your charcoal on the far end down here by your shelf. That way the heat rises, goes across the meat, and not long after it goes across that meat, it hits that thermometer, and it gives you a much better idea of what the temperature around the meat is, as opposed to if you had the thermometer down here, had your coals down here, had your meat down here, because then those coals are going to be really close to that thermometer, and you're not going to get accurate readings. So next step is you're going to say, well, you know, that's not a really big surface, Zach. You know, what if I wanted to cook, you know, a small brisket and a Boston butt, or cut up a rack of ribs, get them on there, and a Boston butt as well, or some wings, or, you know, just combinations. Well, the next thing you want to look into is called the stainless steel little more grid. All that does is it just sits right inside your PK just like that, and that allows you to put maybe like a chicken wings, rack of ribs, cut up, because, you know, it's not that big of a grill, but you can get a rack of ribs in there and maybe a Boston butt on top. They also make a larger grid that kind of goes almost all the way across the grill, which will kind of double your cooking service, or allow you to get just a little bit further up away from the heat if you wanted to. But just like that, we've transformed our PK grill into an offset smoker. It doesn't get much easier than that. I'll go ahead and give y'all a closer look at the Tel-tru thermometer so you can have an idea what that looks like when it's installed. There that puppy is right there. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at the little more grid. Easy to install and uninstall, and it just gives you a little bit more cooking surface, and also separates your protein a little further from the heat if need be. Guys, that's pretty much it. That's the beginnings of turning this into a just really efficient offset smoking machine. So now you've got one of the best grills on the market, and now you've also got an offset smoker. Make sure that if you have any questions, you let me know down in the comments section below. Make sure to smash that like button, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks on your PK grill in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see y'all in the next video.